In this video, I want to talk about whiteflies. Now, sometimes you'll be in your garden, you'll bump into a plant or something, and you'll get this big cloud of insects that just kind of fly up at you in kind of like a cloud. Those are almost always whiteflies. And y'all, you don't want whiteflies in your garden. So in this video, we're going to talk about what they are, how to get rid of them, and all that. So sit back, relax, grab your coffee. Let's do this. So whiteflies. They're tiny moth-like insects that are usually found on the undersides of leaves. And when I say they're very small, like size of a pinhead. Very, very, very small little punks. When disturbed, they will fly up like a cloud in your garden. And you can't miss it, y'all. Like, you literally cannot miss this. You will automatically know you have an issue. Now, what do? Well, their larva stays attached to the underside of leaves, and as they hatch, they feed on those leaves. So they are going to destroy whatever plant that they're on, because they're eating that plant to use as food so they can continue maturing. And another crazy thing, like aphids, where aphids leave honeydew behind, this sticky substance that ants love to eat, so do whiteflies. So you're probably going to see a lot of ants around them, farming them, helping them keep the predators away so the ants can continue eating the honeydew. Nature, y'all. Okay, so why do they matter? Well, like I just mentioned, they eat or they drink the sap, the juice out of leaves and plants, destroying those leaves and plants. So you don't want them. They're very, very they're very bad. Let's just be real. With the way that they feed, obviously that is going to weaken the plant. You're going to see yellowing leaves. You're going to see just your plant starting to not look healthy. If you're in your garden and you are paying attention to your garden, then you should know what your garden looks like, right? Even as a beginner gardener, if this is your first year gardening and you plant something, right? Say you plant 5 of one thing and they're all coming up at the same time, right? They're all growing basically the same rate, everything. But then one starts to look really not good, like completely different than the other 4, investigate. That's what I'm talking about with a damaged plant. You will notice it. Even as a beginner gardener, your eyes will notice when something isn't correct. And if you have a gut feeling that just doesn't look right, investigate. And if you tap that plant and a big old cloud of flies fly up at you, you got whiteflies. Now, one other thing, the honeydew that I just mentioned also can bring in diseases on those plants, such as sooty mold, which will affect the photosynthesis of that plant, basically weakening that plant to where it's pretty much done. Okay, so managing whiteflies really just comes down to a couple of things. One, monitoring your garden, looking for things that's not correct. 2, if you're watering your garden and you spray a bush and a little poof of a cloud pops off, turn the hose to stream or full or whatever and really nail that plant. You can wash these little punks off your plant. Chances are they're going to come back, so then you're going to have to move on to another step, which might be neem oil, insecticidal sprays and things of that nature. I am going to warn you, if you use any kind of a spray that's going to take out the whiteflies, just remember there's a chance that they're going to take out beneficial insects also. So if you're going to go down that route, my advice is spray early in the morning when most beneficials aren't out, or late at night when most beneficials have, for lack of a better word, gone to bed. Now, what if you want to go the natural route? What are whiteflies' enemies? Lacewings and ladybugs. I'll put a list up right here of things that you can plant in your garden to bring in those specific insects that will eat whiteflies. So there are ways to get rid of them. My best advice for you, though, is when you're in your garden, always be looking for pests, always be looking for damage to your plants. If you see it, investigate, handle it, and address it immediately. Don't let a little infestation become apocalyptic and then your whole garden is in jeopardy. Very vigilant when you are in your garden. All right, y'all, so when it comes to whiteflies, are they a friend or a foe? Come on, you know they're a foe. So if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out, if you learned anything at all, do me the 5 favors: share, like, comment, hype, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. And y'all join this fast growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. And as always, take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you and your gardens. And I'll talk to you again real soon.